In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export your contact list on your Wix website efficiently and effectively. Whether you're managing contacts for a personal project or a business, these steps will help streamline the process, ensuring that your data is organized and up to date. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix homepage. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in the dashboard area, look to your left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see an option labeled Customers and Leads. Not a sponsored lead. Clicking on this will open up various options related to managing your contacts about AKAs. Now, locate and click on Contacts. This will lead you to the main contact management interface where you can view all your existing contacts. This area is critical as it provides a comprehensive overview of the people connected to your site, including their names, emails, and other vital details. Next, focus your attention on the More Actions button. Click on it and you should see a drop-down menu with several options. For importing contacts, select Import. When you do this, you'll be prompted to consider how you'd like to import your data. Typically, you might use a CSV file, which is a common format for data importation due to its simplicity and compatibility with various software tools. Prepare your CSV file ensuring that it is formatted correctly, with columns clearly labeled for easy mapping of information. When you have your file ready, click on Get Started to begin the import process. Wix allows another option to import contacts from Gmail, which can be particularly useful if that's where most of your contacts are housed. If you opt for this, simply choose your Gmail account and then click on Connect to authorize and initiate the process. After you've finished importing your contacts, you'll likely want to switch to exporting. Head back to your main contacts page. From here, select the contacts you want to export. Once done, click on the Export button. You'll see a prompt asking you to choose an export format, commonly offering CSV once again due to its versatility. Choose your preferred format and click on Export to download your contact list, and there you have it. You've successfully imported and exported your contact list using your Wix website. This process is a straightforward yet powerful tool for anyone managing numerous contacts, allowing easy updating and sharing of crucial information. If you follow these steps step by step, you'll find that maintaining your contact list becomes a simpler, much more manageable task, keeping you organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.